Welcome to Tech Vibes. If your PlayStation 5 shows a green screen but you can still hear game sound, menu clicks, or background music, do not panic. This problem is very common, and in most cases, it is not a dead graphics processor unit. Now let me explain this like a technician. When audio works but the screen is green, the console is still processing video data correctly. The failure usually happens during HDMI signal conversion, color processing, or handshake with the television. First working solution. HDMI signal reset. Turn off the PlayStation 5 completely. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the console and the television. Unplug the power cable of the television as well. Wait for at least 5 minutes. This clears cached HDMI handshake data stored inside the television chipset. Reconnect everything in power on the television first, then the PlayStation 5. Second solution. Disable HDR. High dynamic range, written as HDR, is the #1 cause of green screen with sound. Go to PlayStation 5 safe mode. Hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Select Change Video Output Settings. Turn off HDR completely. Many televisions incorrectly process HDR color data and produce a green image. Third solution. Change color format. From Video Output Settings, set resolution to automatic. Set RGB range to limited, not full. Set 4K transfer rate to -1. These settings reduce HDMI bandwidth and stabilize the signal. Fourth solution. HDMI cable and port test. Use a certified HDMI 2.1 cable. Test a different HDMI port on the television. Avoid HDMI extension adapters or capture cards during testing. Fifth solution. Television compatibility check. Test the PlayStation 5 on another television or monitor. If the display works normally, your original television firmware or HDMI board is the problem. When is it hardware related? If green screen with sound appears on all televisions, after reset and settings change, then HDMI retimer integrated circuit damage is possible. This usually happens after power fluctuation or lightning surge. This is reparable by a professional technician. This was a real diagnostic guide from Tech Vibes. Subscribe for authentic PlayStation troubleshooting.